Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is Chef bakes cake 1. In this question, Chef is an expert baker. Each cake costs him 30 coins to make and then he can sell each cake for 50 coins. Today, Chef has made a total of N cakes and was able to sell M cakes out of them. The remaining cakes went unsold and were wasted. Now we need to find out how much money in coins did chef make or lost from making these cakes. Now it may be possible that our answer is negative, which indicates that chef lost money. In the input will be given just two integers n and m, where n represents the number of cakes chef made and m represents the number of cakes chef was able to sell. In the output, we need to print in a single line the amount of money chef made or lost. In the constraints, we are given that m will always be less than or equal to n, and both of them will lie in between 1 and 10. So now let's see the sample input 1. So we are given that chef made 3 cakes and was able to sell all 3 of them. So the amount of money he made is equal to 50 times 3 minus 30 times 3, which would be 150 minus 90, which is 60, and that is the answer. In the second sample input, the chef made a total of 3 coins and was able to sell just one out of them. So the money he made is going to be equal to 50 times 1 minus 30 times 3, which is 50 minus 90, which is minus 40, where this minus indicates that chef lost the money. So yeah, this is pretty much the problem statement and sample input. Now for the solution, all we need to do is take in the input of n and m as integers and print 50 times m minus 30 times n, and that's it. So now let's see the solution in Python first. So we'll be taking an input of A and B, where A represents the number of cakes chef made and B represents the number of cakes chef sold. And how are we taking in the input? So I'll just break down the statement. So first of all, we're taking in the input of the whole line as a string, and then we are splitting it with respect to the spaces. So this much part will give us a list of strings, and we'll convert the list of strings into a list of integer using this map function. So all of this will give us a list of integers where each element represents the each input of our array, like of our line, and we'll map them inside A and B. So now all we need to do is print 50 times B minus 30 times A, and this will be our answer. The time complexity is constant because we're just doing like 2, 3, 4 number of operations. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll be taking in the input of A and B, where A represents the number of cakes chef made and B represents the number of cakes chef was able to sell. We'll take in the input of A and B using Cin, and in the end, we'll just print 50 times B minus 30 times A using Cout, which is our answer. The time complexity is again constant because we're just doing these 4 number of operations. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye.